In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Prometheus to Grafana step by step. Before we begin, make sure you can sign in to your Grafana instance and that your Prometheus server is running and reachable on your network. You'll also want the Prometheus endpoint URL handy because you'll reference it shortly. Start by opening Grafana in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the Grafana homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll find all of the core navigation. Find the section labeled Connections. Depending on your version, it may appear as Connections or be grouped with data-related settings. Go ahead and click Connections to open the Connections and Data Sources area. Next, select Add New Connection. This brings up a catalog of integrations and data sources Grafana can connect to. There's a search field at the top to help you filter quickly. Click into the search bar and type Prometheus. You should see Prometheus appear as a result. If you don't see it right away, check your spelling or clear any filters that might be applied. Click Prometheus in the results to open its integration page. Here, you'll likely see a few options related to Prometheus. Choose the Prometheus data source. This is the standard data source used to query metrics directly from your Prometheus server. Selecting it will show you details about what it supports and how it connects. Now select Add to New Data Source. This action creates a new Prometheus data source entry in your Grafana instance and takes you to the configuration screen for it. On that screen, you'll be able to provide the Prometheus URL, choose any necessary authentication method, and adjust performance or scraping options as needed. If your organization uses Grafana Cloud or strict network controls, ensure your Prometheus endpoint is accessible from Grafana and that any required tokens or access rule IDs are already set up. If you're self-hosting, have the URL ready and confirm the port is open. A couple of quick tips as you proceed on the configuration page. Use a clear, descriptive name for the data source so teammates can find it easily, and match the timeouts or query settings to the size of your environment to keep dashboards responsive. If you don't see the connections option or can't add a new data source, you may need additional permissions from your Grafana administrator. That's it for getting to the Prometheus data source setup. From here, you're ready to finalize the configuration and start building dashboards that visualize your metrics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.